Hello everyone! If you wanna use a custom watch face on your HUAWEI Watch GT4, first of all, make sure that your watch are connected to your phone by HUAWEI Health. Now open up your HUAWEI Health application, press Devices right here at the bottom, press Watch Faces, press More, and here you are to scroll down to your Gallery section right here. So press Gallery. Now press plus right here, press gallery and choose the picture which you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. All right, now resize it. At the top right corner, press on the check mark. And now you can add up some widgets, tiles, layers, so play with that. It's all depending to your style. I'll leave it as it is. And now press save. And as you see, we've just updated our watch faces and made it a custom ones. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.